Have you ever wondered how to keep your soft-serve machine in tip-top shape? Maintaining and cleaning your machine may seem to be a large task, but trust me, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Assemble, serve, and clean. It will quickly become like riding a bike. In this video, you'll learn how easy it is to maintain the quality and cleanliness of your soft-serve machine, ensuring that every serving of Frostline soft serve is as delicious as the first. Let's get started. For assembly, you'll need to first gather all the parts. Apply lube to each of the black O-rings. Insert the beaters and secure with the hex side in. Ensure the beater assembly hex head is fully seated. The beater assembly should not protrude past the front of the freezing cylinder. Slide the door handles into place from the sides. Then slide the door into place on the machine and secure without over-tightening. Make sure the logo on front is facing up. Next, lubricate the draw valves and O-rings. Then apply lube inside the freezer door spouts from the bottom side. Insert the draw valves into the door spouts with the O-ring at the bottom. Be sure the draw valve with the divider is in the middle position. Place the draw handles into position and secure with the 2 pins. Then insert the plastic drip tray. Apply design caps. And put the plastic drip pan and metal splash shield into place. Place the 2 air tubes into each of the hoppers. Turn on the machine and switch to the wash setting. Carefully add 2 gallons of clean water to the hopper and proceed to flush it out. Next, add 1 packet of sanitizer to 2 gallons of clean water and whisk until it's dissolved. Add the sanitizer to each side of the hopper and proceed to flush it out. Finally, turn the machine to standby and get ready to add your Frostline Soft Serve Mix. Frostline Soft Serve Dry Mix offers both shelf stability and minimal preparation requirements. Its convenient features, such as easy space-saving storage, an extended shelf life, and its creamy taste, make it an obvious choice. First, you'll start by gathering all the items you'll need. Fill the 2 large buckets with 2 gallons of water each. Cut off the corner of your Frostline bag. Then, using your whisk, stir the water and create a vortex. Add the soft serve mix while continuing to stir. Continue stirring until all the mix is dissolved. Fill the hopper with product, starting with the darkest color first, followed by the second mix on the other side. Allow the product to stop bubbling, and then secure the air tubes in the mix inlet hole. Prime the product through the machine by pulling the draw handle, filling the freezing cylinder. When mixture begins to flow into the bucket, release the draw valve. Finally, turn the machine to auto, and your soft serve will be chilled and ready to serve in 10 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to decorate your machine with colorful marketing materials. Now you are ready to wow guests with delicious, decadent Frostline soft serve. Cleaning your machine is not only easy, but also necessary to keep your soft serve performing well and tasting great. Press the Mix Refrigeration key to cancel hopper refrigeration. This operation should be canceled as early as possible to allow time for the product to soften, making cleanup easy. Next, gather all your parts. Press the Wash key. Remove the 3 red design caps. Remove the 2 air tubes from the hopper. Drain all remaining product from the hopper. Press the Wash key again to cancel. Carefully pour 1 gallon of clean water in both sides of the hopper and gently clean with brushes. Be sure to clean the mix inlet valve. Press the Wash key again. Empty the tank of the rinse water. Return to the hopper and with a smaller brush, carefully clean all the crevices. Flush with more clean water and proceed with draining the tanks. Fill a bucket with 2 gallons of fresh water. Open a packet of sanitizer, Pour it into the water and whisk until it is fully dissolved. Pour the sanitizer into the hoppers. Brush the inside of the hopper to clean any remaining product, and drain. Press the wash key again to cancel the cleaning process. Now, turn the machine to the off position. Unscrew the door handles, remove the door, and set aside. Pull out the beater assemblies and the drip tray and set those aside as well. Remove plastic drip pan and metal splash guard. Disassemble the door by removing the pins, handles, and beater assembly valves and set those aside as well. Fill sink with water and add either soap or sanitizer for cleaning. Add all pieces to the water and carefully clean, setting aside to dry when you are done. Finally, return to the machine with a small amount of cleaning solution and with the black bristle brush, brush clean the bearings at the back of the freezing cylinder. So there you have it. With just a little effort and the right know-how, your soft serve machine is clean, refreshed, and ready to serve up those delightful swirls of sweetness. Enjoy!